finally, David is eating his own McDonald's, making an egg sandwich.
Yeah, because he is so hungry.
Yeah.
Nice.
And David, I'm gonna see how you're making. Whether
This is not a bun, so this here was a bun.
Yeah, you eat already the bread. It's okay. It's fine, anak. You just wipe. It's okay. There's nothing. There's no wrong.
David,
It's an art. It's an art. Gutom na talaga siya.
David,
Huwag mo magpagalitan.
David,
Nagdasal naman na siya.
Oo, nakita ko yun. Nagdadasal siya.
David.
It's okay. Why are you photoing, videoing this?
Yeah.
Because I'm taking video and eating
That's
on YouTube.
well video like McDonald's.
Where's the other
Eating
bread?
at McDonald's. He done already.
The one here?
Yeah.
David,
Oh, what?
He
David,
ate it first
I
instead of
forgot.
making
I saw you
it.
eating. So you guys see how.